ANZ says house prices will fall in 2023. More surprising is that they think prices will rise some more next year by 6% after a 22% blowout this year, and then only fall 4%. So over those 2 years, no fall at all. Bad news for home buyers waiting to get in. ANZ also revealed that the average first home buyer mortgage is now a record high $450,000, which it still will be when interest rates start rising. Here's a follow-up on yesterday's ABS wages data. Now, wages grew 0.6% in the September quarter, consumer prices 0.8%, share prices 1.2%, and house prices 4.8% in the quarter. And here's a graph of the proportion of industries that are increasing wages by the 3% that the Reserve Bank wants. Hardly any. And it's been zero, more or less, for 6 years, down from 100% in 2012. On the share market, Commonwealth Bank couldn't drum up any interest despite yesterday's 8% price cut. Other banks fell too, but the market edged higher with gains from Telstra, Woolworths and CSL. Not much happened on global markets. Oil fell below $80 a barrel. Iron ore and copper fell too, and gold went up, and the Australian dollar held against the US dollar but slipped against the yen, the pound and the kiwi. Now, the climate change conference in Glasgow might have been seen as a failure by some, but it has had an impact. This is a chart of the number of times American companies have mentioned the word carbon in their earnings calls. Meanwhile, the European carbon price has surged to a record high of €67 or $104 Australian. And the Australian carbon price has also hit a record high of $38.75 per tonne. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.